It does come at a time when people are already very skeptical of Activision Blizzard and wondering when they would change. I've talked to analysts about this, that under Microsoft, Activision Blizzard could reform its corporate culture, but that is a huge open question. It raises a lot of questions about unionization. Workers are still trying to unionize inside of Activision Blizzard, and it's a question of how this will impact them now that they would have new leadership in about a year when the transaction closes around June 2023. The employees that I've been speaking to at Activision Blizzard, they were very shocked and displeased with the news, because within the news it says that CEO of Activision Blizzard, Bobby Kotick, is going to stay on, and all these employees were looking for Kotick to step down, or at least for Microsoft to hold Kotick accountable and maybe say, you can be suspended, or you can take on a different role or something to that nature. Xbox's head, Phil Spencer, just like last week, was talking to New York Times and saying that Microsoft was reevaluating its relationship with Activision Blizzard, completely the opposite of cutting ties. So it really just shocked all these employees, and they were hoping for like a stronger response and a different response from Microsoft. And for the acquisition to go through, but Kotick to stay on, is not what people really wanted at all. There are all these Activision Blizzard properties that are going to live on Xbox Game Pass, and it's not clear if these will be exclusive deals, because since Activision Blizzard is such a large company, for it to just say all of its games are then going to be exclusive to Xbox and Windows, people having PlayStation consoles might feel left out and then no longer be able to access those games, or they have to also have a PC. So that could become a problem. But they do say that they're going to work together and then add these games to Game Pass, which would make it easier for consumers who already subscribe to Xbox Game Pass to then get these games at a cheaper discount. Analysts I've spoken to have actually said that this is Xbox making a play to challenge PlayStation a bit more. At this point, Halo Infinite has come out. Xbox has acquired Bethesda. It's acquiring Activision Blizzard, and if all of these acquisitions come to fruition, then Xbox would have a much stronger offering and could challenge PlayStation a lot more. There's still this immense dissatisfaction among employees, and then broadly across the games industry, when other people working in the games industry hear about Activision Blizzard, they actually say, well, that happens in my company too, and those stories are not surprising to me. It's this ongoing question within the industry of when is it really going to change for everyone? Will we ever, will anyone go to a company that actually doesn't have any harassment, or at least has a very positive policy to address that? And people are really wondering if they can work in the games industry and still have a healthy and fruitful career and not have to deal with these issues.